Hello, this is Tricia Bryan, the college counselor at John Marshall High School. Today we will review your PSAT scores. Our agenda will cover an overview of the four major parts of the PSAT results, a look at how to use your results in the skills section, information about the National Merit Scholarship qualification, how to interpret your answers, your next steps in planning your road to careers in college, and an introduction to the features of My College Quick Start and your own personalized college planning kit. There are four major parts of the PSAT score report: your scores, your skills, your answers, next steps. The score report shows how you performed on each of the three sections of the PSAT: critical reading, mathematics, and writing skills. Your skills section is a valuable part of the PSAT results, showing you a complete picture of how you performed on different skills tested by the PSAT. Take a closer look to see where you did well and where you might want to improve. The same skills are tested on the SAT. To get more practice before you take that test, try the hundreds of practice questions available online at www.collegeboard.org/quickstart. Below your scores, you'll find information about eligibility for scholarships available through the National Merit Scholarship Corporation. Each student who takes the PSAT has a selection index. The selection index is the sum of the critical reading, math, and writing skills scores. To enter the National Merit Scholarship Corporation competition, you must be a full-time student, high school student, graduate the following year and enroll in college full-time, complete grades 9 through 12 in 4 years, and be a U.S. citizen. If your selection index has an asterisk next to it, this means you do not meet all the eligibility requirements for entrance into the competition. Typically, it is because you are not graduating next year. More than 1.5 million juniors enter the competition each year. About 50,000 qualify for recognition, and about 9,600 of these students receive an award. Be sure to look at your own selection index and eligibility when you receive your score report. The middle section of the report is the Review Your Answers section. When you receive your results, you will also get your test book, the one you used when you took the test. Be sure to ask for your test book if you do not have it. Use your test book. Using your actual test book will help you make the most of the Review Your Answers section, since you'll be able to go back to questions you got wrong, and with the help of the explanations available on My College Quick Start, figure out why. You can also look at the notes you made in your test book to see how you got to your answer. There are four columns. The critical reading, mathematics, and writing skills sections of your score report all contain the following information. The first column displays the number of each question as it appears in the test booklet. The second column displays the correct answer to each question. In the third column, you will see the correct answers that you chose. A check mark means correct, O means omitted, and an alphanumeric letter shows the incorrect answer you chose. In the fourth column, we see the letters E, M, or H, which identify the level of difficulty of each question. E means easy questions, M means medium difficulty, and H means hard, the most difficult questions on the test. Remember, this test is for high school juniors who are preparing for college, so it's possible that an E or easy question might seem difficult to younger students. Reviewing your answers for the math student-produced responses. Not all math questions on the PSAT are multiple choice. The math section contains multiple choice and student-produced response questions or grid-ins. Here, you solve problems and then recorded answers on a grid. Only answers gridded in the circles are scored. You receive no credit for answers, even correct ones, written in boxes and not gridded or gridded incorrectly. Your educational plans. Read this section to see how well your future plans match your current interests and skills, as well as the courses you will be taking. On your answer sheet, you provided a grade average and a college major of interest. Your report gives a description of what college students learn and do with the major you indicated. It also notes skills important to that major and high school courses you should take. Check the AP potential message for what steps to take to help you get ahead. Now we'll discuss My College Quick Start. My College Quick Start is a free, personalized college planning kit based on your PSAT results. Your kit has 4 parts: My Online Score Report. Review your online PSAT score report. You'll be able to sort answers and explanations by difficulty and question type. You will also be able to view projected SAT score ranges, state percentiles, and more. My SAT Study Plan helps you to prepare for the SAT with a customized study plan based on your strengths and weaknesses as determined by your PSAT performance. My College Matches allows you to get a starter list of colleges to explore based on information you provided when you took the PSAT, and refine and customize your list to fit college criteria that are important to you. My Major and Career Matches, you are able to view a personalized list of suggested majors and careers based on the information you provided when you took the PSAT. Use My Road to take a personality test and learn more about majors and careers that fit your strengths and interests. My SAT Study Plan is only available to high school students. My Online Score Report lets you learn about your test results. Review question and answer explanations. Sort the questions by those questions they omitted or answered incorrectly, by the question's level of difficulty or by skill. Compare performance to state percentiles, and view projected SAT score ranges. My SAT Study Plan creates a customized SAT study plan based on your PSAT results. You can try hundreds of practice questions and even try a full-length SAT practice test. My Personality helps you better understand your strengths, interests, and preferences. You can take a personality test to find your type and explore majors and careers that may be a good fit for you. You can jumpstart your college search with a starter list of colleges based on your home state and your selected major. You can then customize this list to meet the criteria that are important to you. My Major and Career Matches lets you explore major and career profiles. Read first-hand accounts from students and professionals and learn about required skills and academic preparations. You can learn more about your AP potential by following the link to View Your Potential. This will list all the possible AP courses and whether they are given here at your school. Select different majors that interest you to see which AP courses relate to them. Use your scores to help you see which courses you might be ready to take. Finally, the most important thing is to use your access code and log in to your personalized account at www.collegeboard.org/quickstart. If you have any questions about understanding your PSAT scores, feel free to stop by my office in the College Center, which is across from the main office and next to the magnet office. I can also be reached by phone at 323-671-1439. Thank you for listening.